right, fool? Shit. Let it be known then. Circle tight.
The camera looks fucking perfect.
Oh, that was out. How come, dog, it's 395-104, dog? The hood in the black. Why am I? Oh, here's some. Let me try this. Hey, fool, that shit that happened, bro, I don't know why it won't turn on no more.
Uh-oh.
Asshole? No, also, homie, you're right. Oh my god.
You did?
What happened, dog? What can the homie feel?
Need some water.
There is no.
What happened? What
I needed a lighter, dog. You were not here.
What?
I'm excuse me. I need a lighter, but I don't like some fun.
What happened? The lake?
Ooh, there was a lot of time.
Damn, bro.
Hey, Jeremy, get out of the way real quick.
Oh my fucking headphones. Out of here. What you about to do?
Go home.
You standing good?
No. You just got, yeah, you got beat up right now. How are you watching for? Just go live, huh?
Sorry, my stomach.
Hey, bro, I don't know what to tell you. But I'm serious.
Hey, big dogs, big girls.
Big dogs or big girls?
You have the lighter, Jerm?
Hey, Song, what
Have the
happened?
lighter so you light this up?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, homie,
My
you got the
stomach
homie.
busting, doggy. Oh!
Hey!
How much?
Yo, I didn't know you did that.
Oh,
much?
shit.
You know what I did?
How much? Hella?
This.
Oh my god, no, mom ain't swear.
Oh, am I messed up? No, that
Don't look
was
at me.
content, bro.
It's alright.
That was content. Oh, see, my hand's slipped right now. Hey, that was content, my boy.
There's a earpiece.
Hey, don't rub it. Don't.
I know that. I'm already.
Lick your fingers, dog. It'll be alright.
Right. Hey, man. So,
And then take your dab, son.
hey, go get him, dog. Hey, go get him. Go get him. Come on, just go get him. Oh, I got this on this thing.
Oh, wow.
Hey, y'all know about this right here?
How you feeling?
Oh, hey, let's say hi to the.
Got it. He needs his
Here,
headphone.
no, he needs this one.
He needs it.
Tell him he needs to eat some more chips.
Here you go. My headphone. Here, I got it. Oh my god. Bro, you fucking.
Here, you want some water?
Gets this headphone.
Huh?
This headphone.
I gave it to him already. Oh, yeah. Sorry. We got stoned. The homie fell asleep. What's up? What's up, Sec Tags? Hey, listen, man. We just put the bomb hot sauce on the homie because he passed out. And you know when you pass out, that's what happens. 8 days, are you good, right? Hold on. You good?
Yeah.
Hey, man. So don't get caught slipping. I'm just. He said asshole.
Oh, it is?
Nah, bro. So, hey, you hear the homie back there? The homie's over there. Hey, that hot sauce, man, is pretty brutal. What do you say? Pin your goal. Oh, yeah. Well, let's go pin. That's how you do it. Boom. No contributions yet. Hey, man, how come y'all don't even at least come on? If you come on the page, hit it one time.
Hit it one time.
Hit it one time. Top contribute. Okay. Boom, right here. That's what we do.
What's up? Take a dab or what? I'm down, Jim. I got you.
I'm not taking no dab.
That was not no crime filter.
Shoot the moon.
Oh, that's right. Look, they hit the
That
heart.
was not no crime filter, my boy.
Hey, they hit the likes. I like it. Encourage your viewers to help. Let's get 2 cents.
The bomb.
Hey, listen, are you guys into pranks?
There you go.
Are you guys with all the shenanigans?
The shenanigans.
Who's with the shenanigans, my boy? The crying filter, homie. The homie is. Shout out to Song for taking the bomb hot sauce.
For the third time, actually.
Yeah, you know, he volunteered.
Is that the new rule or what?
No, the new rule.
Yeah.
The new rule is, well, that's always been the rule. If you just fall asleep, my boy, like, that's what it is, right?
Moving it for you.
Am I?
Yeah, moving it for you.
How did I move the camera? No, we fucking.
I moved the camera right now, yeah, but
Like, don't blame me, though. Come on.
Bro, get out of here.
Bro, get out of here. Get out. There we go. Alright, let's get back to it, dog. The homie Daze is over there. He got like dazed off. He seen the homie sleeping, so he was like, "Hey, should we?" He's snoring.
hell nah.
Oh, it wasn't you?
I saw him cut.
Hey, it wasn't you,
I was cutting
no.
with the mask.
He was cutting it with the. What? Who is that for? What's
What
his
is
name?
that, Ash?
Throw up.
That's throw?
You just threw up. Hey, you know the homie was getting it when he just threw up, huh?
And he got throw up on his belly.
Hey, we getting live there? The whole. Hey, but none of them are live.
But you can see who liked it in life.
No, a host alive with others. Yes, that's what I need to do. Where's the multi-guest? Right here. So we need to hit that. And all you knuckleheads who want to come on and talk that head, let's get it.
Let's talk that head. What'd you say?
Talk the head. I mean, like, you know, you just I don't want to cuss. You know what I mean? We just
Right. I feel it, though.
All right, and then that's it. Then it didn't change though. I don't know how to change it, my G. Hey, the homie said, the homie Clove. Shout out to Clove. Hey, people that used to sleep, we used to tag on them or pile all the blankets and curtains and pile it on them and turn the heater on. Hey, so you know, like we tattoo, right? Or well, I mean, whatever. But we used saran wrap a lot, and my brother would knock out. And when he would knock out,
Oh, shit.
so we like pulled the couch out, bro, and you know the couch had like a bigger bottom.
Yeah.
So we were just saran wrapping. Bam! I would take it over, and the homie would pull it, and he didn't wake up for like 2 more hours.
Wow.
Hey, shout out to the homie Havoc. It's my brother. But we put the blanket back on him.
Yeah.
So when he finally woke up, like he'd just be like that, but he would see the blanket, right?
Yeah. Oh.
And he wouldn't be able to see that he like was trapped in there.
Yeah.
So yeah, we got him.
I thought it was astral projecting. And
Yeah.
shit.
Hey, Dazed.
What's up?
So I got a question for you, homie. Listen, I'm not. Hey, the can thing today got interrupted. Shout out to Song. I'm sorry. I'll give him bus money next time or get him an Uber. He just bounced.
He's like,
But that's the wrong thing to do because.
that's fucked up.
Oh, unless he went to the
Y'all
store.
know I'm drunk. And he just walked up.
And you know I'm drunk. Well, then you know that if you fall asleep while you're drunk around 2 cents, some shit's gonna happen. You know what I mean? What else if we go on the tour bus or something, dog? And I mean, there's a time and a place. I get it, but we ride in the mix. What time is it?
9, 10.
See, it ain't even bedtime yet.
11, 12, 13.
It ain't even bedtime yet. Oh shit. Oh, see, I don't want to talk about that though.
Why not?
Because. Oh yeah, I'll talk about that.
Now we'll talk about that.
Yeah, I'll talk about
Let's
that.
talk about that.
The homie said, Bucket, a legend with those original hardcores. Yeah. He used to get up over here a little bit. But a lot of people think he's Premier, right? Or Evidence.
Alchemist.
Alchemist. I'm all Evidence. Alchemist. But is it him or it wasn't him?
No, it's not him, apparently.
Right. What you know about him? What do you know about those cans? He's talking about these ones, right? I never sprayed with this can. Have you sprayed with this can? Like,
Yeah.
I mean, like, painted some with it.
Yeah.
What's that?
I wish I would look this way for my boy.
I just have homies that they
nah, I
will
just left
come
it
through
like-
with like the dope cans and shit. They'll come around once in a while and they'll pull up with those fucking Montanas, dog, and with the fat tip, food, just catch mad flare. I remember that shit was amazing when for the first time I ever went from a fucking Rusto to like a Montana with a fat tip, bro. Like I just that day I killed the block, food. Like that flare was just rocking, you know, like as big as I could, you know what I mean, as wide as I could. Like it was.
I mean, I was flaring with. You didn't flare with the. I think I did use Rustos later on, and I was more on the Krylons earlier on. You know, cause we would go to Michael's allegedly.
Right.
Did they have Michael's over there?
Yeah.
Sorry, I hit the camera. And one time I think I went to a Michael's over there or a Home Depot, and the Home Depot had like an escalator in there.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I was like, what? Like, and you put your basket and it like.
I was probably Inglewood on I was
don't
like
know.
a Target. No, they had a Target that was like upstairs.
Yep, there was one like that too there at one time. Like, maybe I could be thinking the Home Depot. No, it was a Home Depot because they had a sign that said you could rack.
Take here.
Yeah, you know what I mean.
Take one.
It was like Halloween and shit.
That's
Hard flares with those. Hey, well, I mean that's I would. And for me, all I had was like the New York Fat and like the German Thin.
Right.
Hey, but I'm a stock king fucking baby, homie. Like I'll take the stocks off the dollar cans and put them like, cause you'll get like a red one, a red one, a red one,
Right.
and then there'll be like this black one, and it has like bigger grooves in it, and you're like, oh, this one's a good one. Anyways, you know what to do with that can right there, Daze?
No.
What about that tip though? Oh, let me turn towards him, huh? I mean, I can do whatever, really. Oh, that's probably the best, almost. Damn. Oh, man, you can you took the whole can now.
That's kind of like a floor can, you know? Right.
I mean, yeah. So, anyways, you just lean over, do your thing.
That was
was
hot
in-
as hell?
I never thought to put the tip in there because, well, the WD-40 tip, isn't it red too?
Yeah.
Yeah, the WD-40
It
is red. Yeah. My boy Daze, what's up? Shout out to the homie. The homies are still sitting over there. What's the homie's name right here? Oh, Pippi Longstockings, homie? Damn. I mean, all right. It is
Might
what
be
it
the
is.
home girl.
All right, is it? I can't even see. I need the glasses, dog. Oh, it is. She said Pippi. Nah, I didn't say. Anyways, tell them where you from, Daze. They trying to find out.
Right here.
Bam. There you go. That's where the homies from. Oh, listen, they hitting the like button. Hey, hit the share.
Awesome.
Hit the like button. Hit the
Thank
share button. Hey, you see the homie sweater right there? That shit's sick, huh?
All
Hey,
day.
hey, if you guys are workers at Home Depot, you can hit us up. We got the Daze Age.
The lumberyard.
You know what I mean? Yeah, the lumberyard worker. You know, the one who's just like, hey, do you need help? And he don't know nothing. No, I'm just joking. Pippi Longstocking.
Have you seen that video? It's like a guy. He goes to Home Depot.
Red?
And
Talking about red?
I don't know, but he goes and he asks them. He's like, where can I find the morning wood? And the lady's like, what? You know, and then finally she gets it, and then they get all mad and shit. But it was pretty funny.
And now
Never rolling.
yeah, these one fools, man, they'll have like the big roll of carpet, like the whole roll, bro. And he's pushing it around, and somebody will be looking at some, and he just, bam, and he'll hit him.
Oh yeah.
And the force of that, like the way it's moving, or this will have the hose, and some fool's about to walk by, and he's just like in the garden area, spraying him down. He's like, my bad.
Oh,
He like runs away from him, still scoring him. I'm trying to see it, dog. I wish I could see it better. Hey, man, this is how you do it. Oh, my bad. The homies from.
They're right there.
Hello.
Is that, or is that invite?
I mean, it's an invite, but we're
Oh,
on
there
it.
you go. Someone hopped on.
Hey, what up, dog?
Oh, what up? Oh, they got off on us.
It's just so.
Boy.
Hey, you're good. Huh? Hey, you good. Oh, that was from the last time. That's right. Oh, that's to switch the camera. That's to get it. Turn off multi-guess. So
You
what
gotta
if I
turn it off.
And then I'm gonna turn it back on.
Hola.
I'm gonna go. I gotta change it.
That was a whole big ass mix up right there.
Yeah, it was.
That episode went. Screw.
Did it?
It started drifting and it went in circles right now.
You had it going in circles, my boy. I mean, the whole thing.
No, that show's funny.
Fixed layout. Layout will remain the same regardless of the number of participants.
Oh, that fool's face next to that mask had me rolling. That shit looks stupid funny.
Oh, there we go.
It just looked like that fools were snuggled up together.
Is that what it was?
See the mask right there, and that fool in the song.
Hey,
He
bro.
was like leaning like that, and the mask was like leaning on him, so it looked like they were both kind of like. You'll see the video.
You'll see the video, dog. If you didn't know it was Two Cents Podcast, you'll see the video. Right. Hey, I put a. I just sprinkled a little bit of crack on him, dog. I'm sorry, homie.
You put a lot?
No, I didn't put a lot. I put a moco on the chip and fucking whatever the point of the chip I could get in the bottle.
Yeah.
I took it out, so like just like boom, and then I put it in his mouth, and then I scooped it.
Oh shit.
Hey.
That was upper lip is.
No, don't even say that. All of a sudden, everybody's got the camera in their hand, all close up, and I'm over here, and then, huh?
His reaction made me feel bad, bro.
Yeah.
Should have been out there.
Hey, I know, man. It was one of those things where I was projecting the wrong energy, and I shouldn't have done that song.
But you went like this. You went.
No, I didn't do that. That was like a screwdriver. What was it?
Damn, it worked.
You were like, look, okay, so like, this was like his teeth or his upper lip, and I went like this, and then I like pulled it back like that. That's how I did it. Hey, I shouldn't even have told you that.
That means he had to touch it with his tongue to scrape it up off his teeth.
Right. There was. I don't know if I got in front of his teeth or behind his teeth. You know what I mean?
Oh,
Japanese
shit.
water torture type.
Is that what that was?
Yeah.
Damn, sick with it.
Damn.
Hey, well, out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. That's where we at.
You are